AAI has grown to over 2,000 overhaul capabilities here in-house. Those range from landing gear systems to hydraulics, fuel, electrical, wheel and brake, mostly in the general and business aviation segments. Our superior overhaul services really lies within our team. Our repair station is a complex ecosystem made up of lots of moving parts, lots of different departments. So it's important for us, once we get the part in, it's moving through, and not only the sales staff, the support staff, the technicians, the quality, our parts manager are all working as one unit to make sure that that part flows through quickly, but also safely as possible. AAI is a certified FAA repair station, so they're checking our quality system, our housing, our training, all to make sure we're doing work by the book to allow us to put 8130-3 certificates with the parts that we service. The biggest thing of sourcing new, repaired, or overhauled is simply the price and availability. Overhauled and repaired are going to be a lot of times the best option for our customers because they can get it quickly, they can get it affordable, and at the end of the day, that's what we're trying to do for our customers. Overhaul turn time really depends on the part and the complexity of that part. So small parts such as fuel or electrical system are generally around 5 days to overhaul. Things like hydraulics, wheels and brakes are going to be a little longer, around that 10 to 15 day mark, and then up to 30 days for more complex landing gear systems. So if a customer reaches out and needs something overhauled that's not on our current capabilities list, we're going to look at that and research to see if we can add that. So we're going to look at things like, do we have the technical data? Do we have the training? Do we have the housing and facilities to bring this job on? If we can meet all those requirements, then we'll submit to the FAA a revision to our capabilities list, add that part on, and then bring the service in.